So we were able to use the data from InTune, Defender, Recorded Feature, and VirusTotal to figure out how we want to proceed with this incident. Then that's going to trigger some additional tasks in the playbook. As you can see here, there's a new note. User approval is required for automated response actions. So I'm going to come back here into my pending tasks. It's going to ask if we want to request user approval. I'll hit yes and done. Now let's go back into the playbook and take a look at some of the next actions that are triggered. We can see that an email has been sent for approval right here. And I'll pull this up. So right in my inbox, I've gotten this email from D3. It says, regarding this incident, your approval is required. And this is a way for you to work directly with your management team or a client if you're an MSSP. They can approve or reject it directly from their inbox. Then we'll come in. Once the playbook tag sees that, you can see that it's completed and proceeds with the rest of the playbook. Now we have some options here to select the kind of response we want to take. Do you want to quarantine the file, block IP, or isolate the machine? I'm going to say quarantine file, block IP, but we will not isolate the machine at this time. Again, as the playbook triggers, you don't have to interact directly with the playbook. You can just stay in the incident overview and take a note of what's happening here. Finally, it says, please review your pending tasks, execute the appropriate response actions. We can verify were any automatic response actions executed. Yes. File blocked, file and IP blocked. And then we'll hit done. Okay, we can see here that the status of the incident has updated to closed automatically. And in my inbox, I'll get an incident report that's been automatically generated as well. So you can see here, this one came in just now. So this malware alert tagged with that incident number, quick executive summary, and some details on what's been executed by the playbook and what actions the user has taken. So this is an end-to-end summary of how, when an alert comes into D3, first it's prioritized with the event playbook. Here we use InTune to check the management state, the compliance state, and whether or not the device is encrypted. Then at the incident level, we use that data again combined with other tools, open source intelligence and Microsoft Defender, to figure out what actions we want to take on each of the artifacts. In this case, we quarantined the file, we blocked the IP, and we kept the device as is. Then finally, we pulled in some feedback from our management team to approve the request, and then we summarized all of the incidents in that PDF incident report that you just saw.